Are you looking for the best camping oven? In this video we will look at some of the best camping oven on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. RoyalStar Electric Oven. We are devoted to offer high quality products with reasonable wholesale price and fast delivery. Our company is professional in e-business. Your order will be sent out within 1-3 days after we receive order payment. You will be satisfied with the shopping experience in our store. Look for long-term business with you. Please check the size information carefully before you place the order. It will show on the description of the product. All dimensions are measured by hand, so it's normal have some little deviations. It's usually around 2 to 3 centimeters. Please understand. Number 2. XEOLEO Electric Pizza Oven. All 201 needles bore, robust and durable. MIT Hesung Element abundant, Schnell Temperaturizing, Hesung Separatstörung, Einfach Zubeden, MIT Zeet Controller, Können Sie die Legsitze wollen, diese Ofenest nicht begrenzt zu kochende Pizzas. Ein Breitveal von Lebensmitteln wie Kartoffeln, Brot, Kuchen und Gebäck etc. können auch gekocht werden oder erhitzt. Number 3. KONKA Electric Baking Oven. KONKA Electric Baking Oven 13 liters Pink Kitchen Multifunctional Small Roaster Low Temperature Fermentation Pizza Toaster Fruit Dried. The brand of our product is KONKA. The capacity of our product is 11 to 20 liters. Our product is made in CN origin. The controlling mode is mechanical timer control. The number of heating elements is 2. Can be used for baking cookies, roasting pancakes, fried eggs, crispy bread, pizza, etc. The perfect choice for your kitchen. The pink oven has a wide range of sizes and colors to choose from, making it ideal for both home and commercial use. The pink kitchen appliance is designed to provide a healthier and more delicious food for you and your family. It features a non-stick surface that makes it easy to remove baked goods from the oven without leaving any marks on the countertop. This small and portable oven is a must-have for busy kitchens. It can be used as a microwave toaster, oven or grill. Super happy with my purchase. The Hornito is beautiful and super useful. I recommend. Number 4. SAINTCIAGA Multifunction Oven. New Puvens in RoyalStar China Registered Mail Post to Hong Kong Registered Post Air Mail, E-Packet, China Express to China EMS, DHL, FedEx, UPS. La plupart des pays peuvent recevoir les underlie the 15A35 Jers ouvrables par China Registered Mail Post to Hong Kong Registered Post Air Mail Louis Packet. L'Expedition DHL, FedEx, UPS pot livre les pendant 1A8 Jers ouvrables pour la plupart des pays. L'Expedition EMS Bren Generalement 7A15 Jers ouvrables. La date de livraison depend de l'Express to pays du client. Pose Malaysia Shipping in China Post Ordinary Small Packet plus les deux sans les informations de suivi. Si vous n'avez pas reçu votre listance les 30 jours suivants en expedition, veuillez nous contacter. Nous s'ouvrons l'envoi et vous répondrons dès que possible avec une réponse. Notre objectif est la satisfaction du client tilde. Les droits d'apostrophe importation / phrase de taxe, phrase ne sont pas inclus dans le prix des articles et les phrases d'expedition, ces phrases sont à la charge de l'acheteur. Toutes les commandes peuvent généralement être expédiées dans les 3 jours ouvrables après reception du payment. Number 5. ITOP Electric Pizza Oven. All 201 stainless steel construction, sturdy and durable. With heating element up and down, fast temperaturizing, heater separate control, easy to use. With time controller, you can set the baking time you want. This oven is not limited to cook just pizzas. A wide variety of foods such as potatoes, breads, cakes, pies and pastries etc. can also be cooked or heated. With light inside, Can see the product when oven working. Have visible window. Mercy Chef Kitchen Equipment Store is an ITOP brand store, a professional and technical supplier for commercial kitchen equipment and food processing equipment. We have built reputation on the cooperation to provide rapid response to international orders, and we have warehouses in Russia, United Kingdom, Germany, United States and Czech Republic, Poland etc. so we can ship goods as soon as possible. As one of the most outstanding cooperation in the Pearl River Delta, we provide good quality products and remarkable services in an economical price.